right? I've spoken to many of you so far, and wow, do you have some amazing ideas. And I can't wait to see these ideas come to life because you guys are planning some big stuff. And this platform gives you that ability to put up a private marketplace and sell access to prompts, add value, and do it in 5 minutes. Hello, welcome to this video. It's Keith Carpenter, and right now I'm super excited to introduce you to the feedback section. I know it's like the feedback section, but yeah, here's the feedback section inside PromptROI. So moving forward, essentially what we're gonna do is all of the ideas that you have for the software, the feedback, the new product features, it's all gonna come right inside here, and we're all gonna be able to come in here and see exactly what's been proposed, and we can vote on it right here. It's super awesome, and I'm so excited to see what kind of ideas we come up with. This one right here is a doozy. I'm sure that will be out of there soon. Someone actually even commented on that, so nice to see they're testing things out. I love it. And so we get these three right here. I created these three, right? Upload images to a prompt, something we definitely want to get in there. I think they're working on it. Being able to duplicate a prompt with one click of a button. They're working on that right now because I need that, especially if you want to put your prompts on the public marketplace and on your own private marketplace, which some people do want to do. It's going to make it better just to click. And then multi-step prompting, which is super exciting. We're close on that. Being able to allow you to create prompts with multi-steps and use the previous output and the next step of the prompt, which is super helpful. Come up with some big, long prompt output like blog posts and stuff like that. So anyway, this is the features section. How do you get to it? You click right down here on the bottom. There's a little question mark. You click that, it pops open, okay? Or we're also looking at putting a link over here called feedback. That way you can get there easily. And I believe we're also looking at putting a link over here to the training that you guys all have access to. We're going to keep the other training membership site as well because it's great, but we're also just going to give you the ability to get into there and watch the playlist of videos to onboard easily right from inside here. Okay, so lots of awesome stuff coming, but just wanted to show you that. So if you have any ideas as you're using the software, come in here. I think one click, you can connect your Gmail or Google account, and then you just come in here, you put a note, a title. Try to keep your titles nice and short and sweet, like here, and then describe what you're talking about here. But try to keep them on point. Like if somebody goes in and searches for upload images, which is probably what someone would search, they're gonna find this. So they're not adding. The biggest thing we don't want, very important before I go, is just do a search before you post an idea, right? I know it's hard to remember to do that, but just get in the habit of that right out of the way. And just put in here, you know, if I say upload images or even just upload, there it is, right? If I want to duplicate a prompt, there it is, right? So then you can just vote this up, and then we don't spread out the votes too much because then we won't get anything built, right? So we definitely want to make sure that we are upvoting the right prompts that we want without creating the same prompt over and over again, okay? So, and yes, this is powered by Canny, super awesome software. We love it, and it so far has been great to use. So go ahead and utilize this. Let us know what you want, because again, this is what it's all about. This is your platform, right? I've spoken to many of you so far, and wow, do you have some amazing ideas. And I can't wait to see these ideas come to life because you guys are planning some big stuff. And this platform gives you that ability to put up a private marketplace and sell access to prompts, add value, and do it in 5 minutes, right? So use this. Let's build this thing even bigger and greater and better based on what you envision. And in order to do that, we have to be voting on the things that are coming in here. So I'll be announcing certain things that are in here and trying to push you guys in here to vote on certain features that I see that are great. If you're cool with that, and we'll just keep doing our thing. So let me know if you have any questions. I appreciate you guys watching, and have a great day.